Hey there guys, I'm back again, and today we are going to unbox the brand new Lookfantastic box. As you can see, this box looks very light and clean. It's got like this beige top and like a very soft nude pink actual box. So I'm gonna assume there's gonna be a lot of like healthy products in here, like skincare and stuff like that. So let's check out the lid. It says, wow, I thought it said Higgy, but it says over here it's a noun and you pronounce it Hooga, a quality of coziness and comfortable conviviality that creates a feeling of contentment or well-being. Okay, so in here we got the booklet, which I'm going to put right over here. Then we got the Elle magazine that I'm not really all that interested in anyways. And then we got a matching nude colored paper, which I'm going to rip apart. And yeah, I was pretty much right for my gesture. This is the inside. Oh, it smells good. This is the inside of this month's box. Okay, where to start? Let's just start with one of the biggest things that I see in here. And ooh, it's actually soft and wet. This is from So Eco, the face of responsible beauty. It's a cognac sponge of charcoal. This is what that little fella looks like. We actually receive a lot of these charcoal infused kind of sponges. So let me check the booklet. I'm just going to assume it's a full size since it is like a sponge. I'm not really sure how a sponge can not be full size. Yeah, it's over here. So the So Eco cognac sponge is worth £7. Okay, moving on to yet another. This is the third pillow spray we've received so far. First, we received one from Lavender, which actually helped and really helped me get to sleep faster and better. Then we had one from Lemongrass. I don't know what idiot thought of lemongrass as like a sleeping spray. Like scent, but that is not a sleeping scent at all. If anything, lemongrass makes sure I'm awake and not asleep at all. That was the last one, and that clearly did not help. Then we have this one, Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. Fall asleep faster naturally and wake up refreshed. And it also says this works. Now let me just check. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, I can't really tell the smell of it. Can't again. Come on. No smell. Ooh, there we go. Oh, this is good. Okay, yeah, this has got like that lavender smell in here that definitely will help me fall asleep. So this is what that little sucker looks like. Let me just check the booklet because I don't think this is necessarily a full size. Yeah, it's over here. So from This Works Deep Sleep Pillow Spray, it's 10 milliliters and the worth of it is £8. Is this 10 milliliters? Yes, it actually is. So, whoa, £8 for this? That's actually a lot of money in my opinion. But I will say, especially the lavender one actually works. So if you're a person that struggles to get to sleep, maybe you want to get your hands on this because this stuff actually works. I'm like an insane insomniac. I've had trouble with sleeping ever since I was a girl, like a little kid. So yeah, for me, this actually does help. Okay, now let's move on to this. This is from Espa. I think we received Espa in either the last box already or the box before that. I know all the boxes after summer, so either September or October. This is November. But I do remember receiving something from them. I can't remember what. This is the Smooth and Firm Body Butter. Intensely rich body moisturizer to smooth and tone. This is what it looks like. And let me check the booklet. It is from Espa. It's the Espa Smooth and Firm Body Butter, 30 milliliters, and the worth of it is $8.33. Then we're going to move on to something from Skimono Beauty Masks. Intense Nourishment Plus Hand Mask. Okay, so this is a hand mask. This is what that little sucker looks like. We received a lot of hand masks from Skimono already. And as y'all know, I usually pass these on to my mom because she has severe problems with her hands and her feet. But I already passed on the last one. And you know what? This time I'm going to stick, you know, with myself. And I'm going to actually keep it and use it myself. So this is clearly a full size. The Beauty Hand Mask for Intense Nourishment is worth $9.99, so basically 10 pounds. I got this lipstick on, and for some, actually it's a gloss, and for some reason, it, how can I put this? It collects in at the edge of your mouth, and I didn't even put that much on, but I love like the color of it and everything, and the look of it. But the whole, it's not good. I don't like that. So if I'm like talking weird and do like this all of the time, I apologize. We have 2 more items. Is that right? Is there 2? Yeah, 2 more. Okay, so one is from Dr. Botanicals, which we recently received in a box also. This is hemp-infused natural nutrition moisturizer. Okay, I actually really like hemp. That sounds weird. I don't like smoking it, okay? Not that at all. That's not magist. But I do like to use like the seeds in salads or in smoothies or you name it. And I do like the hemp oil. I love to use that for stuff. So, you know, I do like it for beauty and health reasons, but the smoking part, the whole marijuana, that's not my thing. Okay, anyway, this is a moisturizer, so it sounds pretty cool, and I like the fact that, you know, it with Dr. Botanicals, it always says like, in this case, hemp, and then the fella is green because it like fits the whole idea. And then we had the pomegranate thing, which was, it said like pomegranate up here, and then it was pink because, you know, oh my goodness, I'm dropping it. Because pomegranate, you know, I really do enjoy the simplicity of it, but also, you know, it's a good effect. I mean, it works. So, Dr. Botanicals Hemp-Infused Natural Nutrition Moisturizer, 30 milliliters. Yes, this is 30 milliliters, is worth 12 pounds. I find that a lot of money for this small of a size. Okay, guys, we're going to move on to the last item, and I'm going to... Box is empty. And the last item, let's move the booklet up also, there we go, is from Nux, and this little sucker is the oil that I used to use from Nux. And you know what, I know my mom loves this oil, and I have so many oils in backup already, especially from Estee Lauder. I have like 3 in backup, so I don't need more oils at this point, and I know my mom loves it, so I'm gonna throw this in because it's so freaking tiny and cute. I'm gonna throw this in as an extra Christmas present for her. Like maybe I'll hang it up in the tree so that, you know, she doesn't notice it, because Christmas is always celebrated at my place. Christmas and Halloween are like my parties, you know, my jam. So yeah, I really enjoyed this. This is just the multi-purpose nourishing oil, face, body, and hair. And this is not a full size. The full size is 100 milliliters. This is 1/10. Yeah, it's 10 milliliters, so it's 1/10. And the worth of this little sucker from Nux is £4.50. Wow, I just now, like on camera, noticed that I put way too much powder underneath my eyes. Like, holy cow, I can see like, you know, splashes of white. It's not a good look. Anyway, that is it, you guys. The box is empty. What do I think about this month's box? I said it from the beginning. I thought there was going to be a lot of like, you know, clean stuff in here, like skincare. There is zero makeup in here. I do prefer it when there's like a combination. So something for, you know, like a skincare product or something, a makeup product, a hair product, and then to, you know, you name it product. So it's an okay box. It's not too bad. There are a hell of a lot of small size items. I believe, don't hit me with a rock, but I believe the only 2 actual full size items were the hand mask and the charcoal sponge. And I do believe that all of the other products are like smaller size products. So, you know, take from that what you will. I'd like to thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!